Alright YouTube, today we got this quick release front license plate bracket we're going to install. It goes right here on the bottom of the front grille. I did not want to put one there, but I wanted to get one that went on the bottom of the front lip. But my car is a little too low, so it would scrape. And what you're going to need is a T5 star bit to take off the 2 screws. And the safer way of doing it is not using a drill or anything, but the other thing you're going to need is a 7mm to replace these star screws to put the bracket on. And then it comes with plastic nuts to install the license plate to the bracket. And this is from Stow & Show. They did send this out, so we're gonna try it out. It said to in the instructions to make sure to put the bracket where the release is on the right side. There's the pictures right there. Now hopefully this don't look too bulky, because I do not want nothing in the front right here, but we'll see how it goes. Let's see how it looks without the plate on. It ain't bad. Thought it was gonna be kind of bulky and notice it, but it's not very noticeable, which I like a lot. Right up to it. Those bolts were gonna hit the bumper on the back. And they do not. Clear it up. Very nice. These are just plastic screws, so you could, don't want to tighten them too tight, strip them out. I do it with my fingers and they're just as tight, but I'm going to do a little turn with the screwdriver. They did send me a Stow & Show shirt, which I need to get some pictures with. I'm not going to tighten these too tight because they're just plastic, so one. Just like that, it's installed. It didn't take that long, it took about 7-8 minutes. Now I don't gotta worry about, I hate a front plate on my car. Absolutely hate it, but I'd rather put it on and not have to worry about the cops stopping me just for the front plate. And then whenever I take photo shoots, have photo shoots and all that, just reach under here on this little tab, pull it right off, and it ain't that noticeable. Not too shabby. Now these are around $100, but it's completely worth it rather than, I already had the front plate when I got the car too, but I'd rather it not have holes in the bumper if you got a brand new car. That's the install right there for you. See y'all next one.